Hi, everyone. Charles Kapoor, President and CEO of the Greater Reston Chamber of Commerce. Thank you so much for taking the time to review our monthly newsletter for February 2023. Hope everyone's off to a fantastic, productive start to the new year. Business around here seems to be rolling like a freight train into what is going to be an incredible 2023 for us all. I want to thank everyone who attended an event last month, getting your year off to the best possible start at one of our networking events or educational workshops. If you attended any of our January events, you know the kind of crowds we were attracting, and we're looking to do more of the same. There's no rest for the weary here in the shortest month of the year. So take a look at our newsletter, find the dates and times of all of our great committee and council meetings, our wonderful lead share groups, as well as our educational workshops, and of course, our very productive, very worthwhile networking events. We kick off the month with Networking Before 9, powered by Google, our AM networking mixer. So come out, get your day started right with some great networking, and then close out the month with our February networking night. And in between, we've got a lot of great events. In our newsletter, we also have some community highlights, community news, what's going on in our community. Obviously, this is a busy time down in our state's capital in Richmond with our General Assembly. You can read more about what your chamber is doing to advocate for you as business professionals here in the Commonwealth. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or a member of the Greater Reston Chamber staff. We're always here to help you make sure you make the most of your membership. Get connected, grow your business, and find out what's going on here in the Greater Reston community. Thank you so much, and we'll see you at our next Chamber event.